Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about the Play Store problem in your device Realme GT Neo 3 5G. So if in this device you are having an issue related to the Play Store, like you are having any login problem or the sign in problem, or the Play Store is not downloading the app, you can solve this by the method as I will show you in this video. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the Play Store issue in your device. Let's watch the video.